This is the first month of a YouTube channel called Zen. With only 12 uploads, it reached 130,000 subscribers and 14 million views, generating over $61,000 in monthly revenue. But the content inside these videos is not a high-budget spectacle. It's this, a series of wobbly, unpolished digital sketches that look like they were created in minutes using MS Paint. Modern creators often spend tens of thousands of dollars on cinematic cameras and professional editors to stand out in an increasingly crowded market. Yet a channel relying on primitive drawings is outperforming the biggest names in the industry. Understanding how requires looking past the art to the data beneath it. Visual fidelity is no longer the primary driver of growth. Instead, the algorithm is rewarding a hidden metric that controls how long a viewer stays on the page. That metric is visual velocity. In these videos, the image on the screen changes every 2 to 3 seconds. This constant visual reset prevents the brain from settling into a passive state. By forcing the viewer to process new information every few seconds, the channel hacks the attention span, making it difficult to click away. Maintaining that rhythm throughout an 8-minute video requires over 200 individual drawings. Doing this by hand is a massive bottleneck. It would take hundreds of hours to complete, making consistent uploads impossible for a solo creator. To maintain this pace, the human artist had to be replaced by an automated manufacturing pipeline. The process begins with a human voiceover. Recording a real voice protects the channel from algorithms that demonetize purely AI-generated content. This audio is run through a transcription tool that extracts precise timing data, marking the exact second each new idea begins. These timestamps are fed into an AI assistant, prompting the software to generate one distinct illustration for every marker. Specific style constraints force the AI to mimic the MS Paint look, ensuring the art remains simple and consistent throughout the video. The AI runs a terminal script to produce hundreds of drawings in simultaneous batches. It titles every image file with its corresponding timestamp number. This allows for instant assembly, snapping the images directly to their numerical markers on the audio timeline. This software stack collapses a 100-hour manual production cycle into a 20-minute automated routine. For years, YouTube rewarded artistic talent and technical cinematography. Today, the platform is shifting toward a landscape that rewards systems engineering. The Zen channel generates massive revenue by prioritizing an engineered pipeline over traditional artistic talent, feeding the algorithm's demand for velocity. The use of automated terminal tools has destroyed the traditional time and cost barriers of video production. High-volume media no longer requires an expensive workforce. Independent creators can now build media brands without hiring animators or managing complex editorial teams. Success in this digital economy relies on a microphone, an AI terminal, and a deep understanding of human psychological attention.